Want to block a website on your iPhone? Whether it is for yourself, your kids, or simply to avoid distractions, here is the easiest way to do it. For this, open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled. Then, next, tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Choose Web Content from here. Now select Limit Adult Websites. Once you do that, you will see a section called Never Allow. Tap Add Website. Now enter the website you want to block and save it. And that's it. Your iPhone will now prevent access to that website in Safari and other supported browsers. One important step you shouldn't skip is setting a screen time passcode. Now go back to the main screen time page and tap Use Screen Time Passcode if you haven't already. This prevents anyone from changing or removing your website restrictions without the passcode. It is a simple feature, but it is one of the best ways to block websites and add an extra layer of control on your iPhone. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.